the reason why abafazi bangathandani ne abafazi bayizonda into engekho kuyibo. You understand? Umfazi intombazane efunda ukwedlula yena akaboni, what do you call it? I'm not good with English. Akaboni inspiration. Uboni competition.
Uboni threat.
Ubona umuntu lwana omhlukumezayo yabona ukuthi it's not like uyamzonda. Ufuna ukuba nguwe but awekho ama means akana ndlela angayenza. So the only way to communicate is to hate that woman.
So sebesibona ngathi umuntu lo yamzonda kanti kamzonda
ufuna ukuba nguwe. It's like, simple as that.
Like ubone ukuthi nabafazi we can't compliment each other. Ngithi umuhle siswami. Like umuhle gay like
ungabona umfazi sesithi umuhle or in ikhonto ayifunayo kuwe.
Hey,
because women mostly we are users. Futhi ungabona sokuthiwa umuhle or your car is beautiful or abantwana bakho so complimenta zonke lezi zinto ne bayakusaba. But there's a difference between respect and kulomehluko omkhulu between ukuhlonipha umuntu lokumesaba. Ukhona umuntu that you can't just confront and say anything bad. Uyakwazi ukuthi if I can say this sengiqale yini into, you understand? So let me just act as if ngithi muhle.
So lapha nebezama ukuthi ethi umuhle but ngezinye indlela uyabezama ukuthi it's like you're submitting to them in other way but you don't want to come direct.
Exactly.
Ngoba yena uyabebona ukuthi ulento enhle but awusekho kulika sakhona ukufighter. So the only way ngakutsho ukuthi
angathi uyakuthanda
but because
deep down uyakwazi ukuthi the back vela isekho.
Yeah, that's so powerful. I never thought of it like that.
Yeah, we women like futhi nendaba yomona like I don't think iwumona nje ngoba siyakhuluma. Akona umona. Isifiso. It's just a desire to be Ayanda.
So siphuma ngayiphi indlela manje ngathi siphuma ngayiphi?
Siphuma ngeenga. Siphuma ngokuthi mana ngim discourage ngenza ngathi ngiyamzonda.
Phuma ngenza ngathi into leyenza
vele yabheda. Uyabona? Hey, laphana mina ngizama ukubooster that bruised ego yami.
Ushaye so umuntu uyabekwazi ukuthi she's lacking somewhere. So sebuya ngezinye indlela ukuthi compensate.
Ezozicompensate, ama ezicompensate ufuna ukunyathelela wena. Yabo.
Umona kahle vele yithi abafazini uqalela ngapi kathi. Kodwa mina ngiyayibona ukuthi umuntu owesifazane akajelasela umuntu oyindoda kodwa ujelasela a fellow woman.
Let's talk about umona in general.
Okay.
Umona uqalela ihlweni. Ngikubukile kanje ngithi ugqoka ijini.
Yes.
Ijini le ngiyayifuna mina ne.
Yes.
Ngoba igqokwe nguwe angisoze ngikubuza ukuthi uyithenge kuphi. I have to criticize it.
Kodwa
ngiyifuna yabo. Inhle kodwa ngiyithandi ngomona. You can't say something is beautiful then you put a but. Into mayinhle asithi but. Then umona mostly udalwa ikuswela.
Okay.
Umuntu angaswela kakhulu, akhulelwe ipoverty, mhlamba akhulelwe iabuse, ugcina eluza iesteem eyakhe.
Okay.
Ngoba manje isuluzwe ngugayili esteem, you understand? Ugayili akasena confidence ngempilo yakhe, yonke into kuye iphelile.
Yes.
For ugayili ukuthi aphakame kumele azibone esejelaselo Ayanda.
Okay.
And emayijelaselo Ayanda use create crowd yakhe.
Hey.
I-crowd kaGeli ngoba wonke the bunches of clowns. Ngama clown wonke uGeli nabangani bakhe.
Yes.
So kumele babe nokuyi like wrestling ayisithi tag team.
Okay. Yes. Team game.
Wrestling ayisithi tag team.
Ku-recruit abantu la.
Ku-recruit abantu ngento abayifunayo ngoba isemntwini abangeke bakwazi ukufinyelela kuye, abangeke bakwazi ukumtshela ukuthi siyayithanda lento enguwe. Siyayithanda lento enguwe. They have to criticize it. Bese kudaleka inzondo.
Kodwa inzondo isuke entweni enhle.
Inzondo isuke entweni enhle.
Kuphela bona bayikhona.
Bona nje akunzima futhi nokuthi bayi-accept ukuthi lento inhle. Njalo abala access entweni leyi bona kwe so ngcono bayicreate ngendlela yabo. You understand that? Kufana nokuthi let me make a bad example. Do you know inja iyakwana usuke yenza iphuku uphuma ikhabe lidliwa ngabantu?
Chasisa.
Bukanje. Ngoba ikhabe lelala liphume kuphuye nja. Akula umuntu ofuna ukulidla. Akula umuntu ofuna ukulidla. Wonke umuntu ubona idoti. Wonke umuntu ubona into engadlekile. Kodwa phela likhabe ekugcineni kosuku. And wonke umuntu uyalifuna.
Wow. Yazi ukukhumbuza there's a friend of mine wathi egibela indiza for the first time. Then wasexoxela umunye usesasebenza la ukuthi hayi ngizahamba ngendiza. Actually esebuyile wasemuthi ukuthi uhambe ngayiphi indiza amtshela hale encane kangaka kufanele ukuthi uhambe ngebhasi mina vele mase ngihamba ngendiza enkulu. Like yena kakaze ayigibela indiza.
Akana experience.
Umdala kula lo umuntu. So into ekhuluma it makes sense ukuthi ulomhawu uyayifuna but akakhona ukuyiaccessa. So ukuhlupheka lokho kusela lokho sokubuya in another way sisigqoke enye iface uhluphe ipoverty kuyisigqoke iface yomona.
Ipoverty sisigqoke iface yomona.
So we need to heal from poverty.
We need to heal from poverty. Ungabheka mina mostly people who have bullied me akulo ku level yami.
Wow.
I'll be honest with that girl. Everyone who have bullied me ngisakusho futhi ngizokuphinda. Akuna umuntu okwangikhuluma kibi mina oku level yami. Akuna umuntu ongizondayo mina ongidlulayo.
Bonke babe kubheke so.
Bonke abangibheka so. Ngoba bafuna lento le kimi engekho kubo.
Wow.
Which is ukuzithanda, i-confidence, ukungavumi ukuncindezela.
And it makes sense why you've never allowed them to.
I will never allow anyone ukuthi azibona ngathi umuntu mina maybe let's say umfazi who's doing good to the community, maybe umuntu osesebenzile. To me it's an inspiration.
Thank you.
Awusoze ungithole sengisithi sengikhuluma amagama ukuthi kodwa kuthiwa wayetshontsha yena.
Uyabasiza kodwa labana
uyakhe yabo.
So you was trying to find into embi ngomuntu enza into enhle.
One thing about me, there is always a good thing entweni noma imbi kangakanani.
Thank you.
There's always a good thing. Ibhodlela lengawala ligcwale phansi. Uyabutha kusale there's that bodlela elisalayo elikwanisa ukugunda ikhanda lomuntu.
Wow, that's so powerful.
We understand.
Ngiyabuza.
So angeke ngithi ngoba liwele phansi lizodla kwabantu alisasebenzi lonke.
Akukho umuntu 100% bad and there is no one who's 100% good.
There's no way.
We're not perfect.
Asikho perfect.
So I think as women we need to heal from inzondano. Angazi ukuthi isuka kuphi poverty. We need to heal from poverty first.
We need to heal from poverty. As women we need to empower each other.
Yes.
We need to teach each other skills. Kunento abantu ababe confuse most of the time bazitshela ukuthi umuntu ofundileyo une access to everything. Umuntu owise nguyone access to everything. Njalo umuntu hard working nguye oshesha ukuwina. Why? Because yena unento emphushayo.
Yes.
Ukuthi ngomnyaka oso mina ngifuna ukuzibona ngilapha ya. So mina yiliphuphe engiliphilayo.
So as women we need to inspire each other ukuthi ungazufunde kangakanani but kukhona into omele ube layo engeke omunye umuntu akuthathele yona.
Noma ungafunda kanjani wena kumele ungifundise lokho mina engingakwaziyo and kumele ngikuthathe kunjani.
Nami noma ngifundile kumele ngifunde something from you.
Kumele ufunde something from me because angeke ube kwazi konke.
Thank you.
Manje abafazi lokhana ukuthi kunentombazana uyabuya ibona ukuthi how Seslow is doing well, is driving a Mercedes Benz, staying in a beautiful apartment, having a kid, going to a private school. Lokhana kubo aso inspiration. Iyasimbuluzela.
Wow. Thank you.
Then kungaba njani ukuthi usondele duzana naye umbuzo ukuthi into lekanti wena ufike njani laphana?
Ingeke uzafundani kuyi. You're not gonna learn because
isengicontrolwa yi-pride yami ehlangana lo mona.
Ukanti if you could get close to that person embuzo ukuthi hey yazi lami ngiyafisa ukuba ngumama lo osebenzela avuke kusena hambe naye asebenze you could learn something from that person but wena ngokudriver i-anger udriver i-jealousy
pride driver i-poverty yami yokuthi phinde drive nangama background sibuya from different backgrounds yabantu sinabanye abantu sikhule vele abanye abantu they are channeled ekuthenini uyakhula una 16 years 17 18 uyenda so ufika uhlala emendweni baku abuse for 10 years uzuthola isifindo uphume ucabanga ukuthi umuntu ohlunyezwe for 10 years wena uyila after how long
Yeah.
after all.
I guess
So kancane akafuni futhi akafuni ukuvuma ukuthi ulimele. Akafuni ukuvuma ukuthi ulimele. Ufuna ukuqhubeka limaza abanye. Ufuna ukuqhubeka limaza abanye.
Kulento lesangayinanzela ukuthi sometimes so let's say you are working in an office and then there's someone who's cleaning. That person akwenzele attitude when vele like career wise ungcono kulayani but not ukuthi uziphakama awuyabe ungaziphakamisa unice kuya but yena ulokuba le bitterness towards you ngakunanzela ukuthi into lokana ukhoza ukuthi umuntu lana ufila ngathi wena competition lawe and wena usumnjani usuphezulu kwakhe umuntu uyabe phansi kwakho like career wise but as akwenzele attitude ukhuluma laye kahle umhawu lwana poverty yena liyani ukuthi uyabe feel ukuthi yena akalingani lawe kanti wena umbheka nje just like a fellow woman ukuthi ngabuya ukuthi yazi ngayenza lokho mina ngagcina lapha cela ungisize abantu ukuthi ngizikhuphule ngabhala lapha ama subject than ukuthi akwenzele umuntu
umqondo wakho uyakwenza ukhohle ukuthi you are hired as a cleaner, that one is hired as an administrator.
Sure.
Umqondo wakho uyakwenza uyadlala ngawe ukwenza ukhohle ukuthi wena phela la kuleli office wabizwela ukuthi uzoklina awukho muva kwe laptop. Umqondo wakho ukutrick udlale ngawo uzugcina ucreate izitori ezingekho ekhanda lakho usubona ngathi loya othe sisisikhathi sokuthi siphuze itiye ngoba phela vele ngumsebenzi wakho phela ukuthi wena unimnikeza itiye. We understand?
Sibona ngathi umuntu lo sebenza ngcono
driving me around. There comes ugijima uza ko Facebook ubo Gail ngicela kuba ngu-anonymous usiso usebenza office endaweni so uhleze ngitreata kanje. Gail akuphendule kahle kanti wena usebenza ukwenzani? Mina ngiyaklina yena uyenzani? Hayi yena usebenza office. So inkinga ukuthi yena uthe kulamanzi alaphana phansi hambe yomopha kanti umsebenzi wakho ngowani bayafana bonke nabo Gail labo because bavumela no understand ukuthi still ucreate izinto ekhanda lakho ezinga exist
to accept the
because
truth
awufuni ukuvuma iqiniso ukuthi wena kahle kahle waqhatshelwani kulelo office awufuni ukuvuma ukuthi wena waqhatshelwani kulelo office.
Okay, let me ask you a question, especially about the things that you just said. Do you think people, especially online, do you think people misunderstand you?
Misunderstand me? I think mina abantu bayang understand ane but at the same time because it's me abafuni ukuvuma ukuthi siya understand.
Umona lwa. What has been like from all these things ezenzakala especially online, what has been the hardest part about being constantly judged publicly usukelwa? What has been the hardest?
Okumenzima kakhulu ukuthi to everyone who have judged me akula okwalizwe side lami le story because angikaze ngichaze lutho. Akulo okwangilalela ukuthi usuze usengijudge mina obusungizwile ukuthi ngitheni yini because angikaze ngichaze lutho futhi ngizochaza ngesikhathi sami ongizofa ngachazanga because it's not worth it. Angifuni ukuprove ipoint akula muntu engifuna ukumprove le point. I just want to heal on my own. Ngifuna ukukhula ngendlela yami. I've made mistakes. I've learned from them. I've done things ezazenziwa ngumhobholo wena lo ngikhuluma ngawo. For example, to find yourself calling someone his husband your husband. That's greedy. I have to take an accountability. That was very wrong. Kwakungumhobholo because kwakuwumona wona lo.
Uyabuqale kahle.
Yeah, umona uqale kahle. Yeah, because if ungakubisela ezingqondweni zakho like if the girl who was like 2 years ago with the girl ngogele senginguye manje ne I will never do that mistake and I regret putting izithanga every day. Into engiregreta every day ukuthi if yimi engangifakwe kuleyo position yokuthi sokusiba nomunye umfazi osisiyethathwa wena ukhona mina ngikhona bengeke mina ngibe right because of how fragile I am. But I did it because of umona wona lo engikhuluma ngawo and being greedy. Nokuzitshela ukuthi I'm what I am ngikuzichaya isifuba yile nto engiyiyo mina uza ngibona ukuthi ngubani
awubonisa
angitshelwa. You understand?
Was it difficult for you to accept and admit to yourself ukuthi bekungumona? Like how long did that take you?
Kungithathe sengiphakathi kwakhona ukuthi uyabona lo mona lo usungenzisa iphutha ngibone sengiphakathi ukuthi uyabona umona wami
Yeah.
let me not say umona man ukuthanda izinto
Yeah.
But that is very uncomfortable. You're getting vulnerable to yourself like that.
And
Yeah.
it also helps you heal because isilonda nxa usiza ukuthi kuhlungu but ungafuni usikhangela ungafuni usifaka umuthi siyaqhubeka sibhibhile.
yeah
So ukusibona sibhlungu
yeah
but it needs to mele sifake betadine.
yeah mele
So-
sinese
Yeah, so I think I love the vulnerability which you are saying, which you admitted to yourself, you saw it, and you are only saying this because you have healed.
yeah
Ungakahili ungeke ukuvuma.
bengeke nguvume bengizothi vele bayangisukela
Yes.
na yeah bengizothi
I think
bayangisukela
when we were speaking of like earlier on, I said sometimes online when we fight, when we get fought by people, and abanye basuka bekhuluma izinto ezikhona, the only problem is that why kukhuluma bona ungakhulumi mina umnikazi wendaba. So for us to get to that point of admitting ukuthi yazini sometimes abantu basuka bekhuluma izinto ezikhona but it's not their place futhi the way they put things
yeah
it's because bafuna ukukhuluma ngomona like you are saying ukuthi bangilimaze kanti ke ezinye izinto zinesikhathi sazo.
yeah just take your time
Wow.
yeah ezinye izinto just take your time nje uvumele ukuphola ngoba phela khona nakho ukuba lokhu uqhubeka uzijustifya ulokhu busy uzijustifya ebantwini abacabanga better than you because we can't think like the same kukhona abantu abacabanga better than bagcina bebona ukuthi but mistake nguye phela yeah problem she's the one who's having a problem
And I wonder how it feels knowing ukuthi I'm wrong but not wanting to admit. It's kubuya ne-pride ne ukuthi no angeke ngivume anyone telling me ukuthi ngirong. You
yeah
know.
umqondo omncane
Yeah.
kubuya nomqondo omncane
Yeah. Mkondo omncane as you say, pride as you say,
Yeah.
and narcissistic
Yeah.
behavior whereby mina ngibe wrong.
yeah mina ngizohlala ngi-right
Yeah. This is why you'll notice that people that grow ungabanaka, they do not try and look perfect in front of people's eyes.
Yes.
If they make a mistake, it's a mistake. They admit, they accept and acknowledge.
And they own their story.
Yeah.
Asibuyi isikhulunywa ngomunye umuntu uyazikhulumela yena seyi-one
Yeah.
ekhuluma ukuthi hayi so that abantu they won't have anything to talk about.
yeah
Yeah. Vele abantu sometimes you like I've seen it mina kunezinye izinto enginokubizwa kuthiwa ngiyatrenda somewhere. Uthola abantu bekhuluma ngento engayikhuluma 10 years ago. I'm like but like umuntu nxa efuna ukuhlekisa ngokuhlupheka kwami engahlupheka ngakho ngisakhula nje. You're wasting your time
Yes.
Yeah.
because I'm past that.
yeah
Wow, ladies, this was just besizothi khala sizobingelela abantu. Guys, as you can see, there's two different people on the other side of the camera today. I'm this side. We're coming back, but we're coming back with these two people as guests with the full story and expand on some of the things that we touched on today. Last question before I leave, you're gonna respond, both of you. Then ayazovalela because ngiyi-host yethu namhlanje. Like kuqakatheke kangakanani, how important is it to heal? Why am I asking this? I'm asking because I feel like a lot of people bahamba bayaphila because they haven't healed. They go around hating other people, attacking other people, wanting other people to feel the same pain that they felt. And how important is it to heal and move away from that space and become whole again?
You will go first. I was just saying my answer at the end and then.
healing is very important ukuphola kumele uphole phakathi uphole naphandle remember kuphola wena ulimeleyo futhi awupholeli ukuthi ubana bona ukuthi wena upholile
Wow.
awenzeli bani ukuthi wena upholile because noma mina ngingakutshela ukuthi ngipholile but izinto kuyabe kizeza still zabe zibonisa ukungapholi then ngoba ngizitshela ukuthi hayi mina sengipholile ne I keep on going around hurting other people who are innocent and sengize ngilimaza nabantu abafuna ukungisiza sengize ngilimaza nabantu abafuna ukungisiza ukuthi I see you are not okay man Gail singayenza njani lento leyo ukuthi uphole mina let me make an example like ngiqeda ukushonelwa ngumama I was hating everyone like my sisters my brothers vele ngiyabazonda I feel like banesandla kube they should ngoba bethu badala kunami kwakumele babe nendlela yokwenza ukuthi into le ingayenzakala But you know, one day my sister had to set me down wathi, do you understand ukuthi kushonwa njani? Uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu ufa njani? Umuntu uyagula 10 years angafi. But angagula shone. So ukufa isikhathi. It's either we accept her or uyahlala unje uyisilwane lesi. And uba isilwane ebantwini abafuna ukukusiza. Uba isilwane ungumama. Bazokhula njani abantwana nomama olulaka olungaka neenge engaka because you feel like ufuna ukublame abanye abantu ngoba wona ufuna ukuphola ekufeni into eyadalwa nguNkulunkulu. Since from that day I had to accept ukuthi mama mseshonile.
Wow.
That was not easy.
It was not easy. Kwakungena therapy, kwakungela psychologist, kwakungela ama camera. We're just the two of us with my sister. Phela the way on anger ngakhona ngathi ungaluma abantu ngathi ungalwa nomuntu ya hate uzonda abantu 2-3 minutes ubablockile awufuni ukukhuzwa ubona ngathi wonke umuntu wrong oseduze nawe umuntu wrong nguwe ngongafuni ukuphola.
I'm sure it was not easy for us.
It was not easy. Cabanga someone is broken like the same la ulimele the phela sonke shonele umzali but sengikwenza ngathi ngokwami ngedwa
wena sungathi wena ngowe
sengathi yimi ngedwa engizibuhlungu sengisalfish to an extent that sokumele ngiaccuse abantu ngezinto abangahlangani nazo at the same time umuntu lo silimele kufana sonke siluza umama sengisiba selfish. She saw that because she's my big sister. She had to set me down ukuthi uzazilimaza yekela khona okwenzayo. So ukuphola kufuna uphole phandle uphole phakathi kuphole wena hayi ukupholela amehla abantu ukuthi ngoba manje bangibonile ukuthi ngigezile ngimuhla akusho ukuthi sengaphola njalo noma kuthiwa awukakapholi lo ukuthi suvele uzonda abantu ulwa nabantu okunye kugcina kuhlangana nokuthi sokuyi mental case. Yeah sokuyi mental case ikho lapho ngena khona amadokotela.
Yeah, I like how you said it. I realized ukuthi there was a time when I was not healed. And I ngazikhiphe ebantwini bonke who loved me, like my relatives and other people, and they just one day bambuza ukuthi kanti kuhamba njani awusasawuboni awusasikhulumisi. I don't know ukuthi kwakusuka ngapha ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi inhlupheko yami kumele ilungisiswe yibo. So sometimes you need to accept the situation past enzakeleyo uzitshela ukuthi this is my life. No one is going to bail me out. If I'm going to heal, I'm the one who's supposed to take that decision to say I am going to heal and I'm not going to hold anyone accountable for my pain. So abantu abaningi abakunanzeleli importance of healing because okunye futhi siqale ukuthi they don't see that they are not healed. They don't see that they are broken. So when you are broken and you don't see it, akukho lula ukuthi abantu bakusize. So you are dangerous not only to the community but you are dangerous to yourself. So kuba nzima, even people who want to love you, they can't love you in a correct way because awukho healed. You always ufuna into ezibeyond ezinganikezwa ngumuntu ola cause wena indaba ikhona indaba isemuva. So healing eqala nge-uncomfortable conversation eqala ehlezi kunywa ubhuti ukuthi you need to self-introspect. Ukuhlala phansi phela uthi I got I'm bitter. It's not an easy thing. It's not easy. But you just have to say it. You have to be careful ukuthi ukhuluma nobani. And you need to understand ukuthi you are the safest person for yourself. You are the safest person for pain yakho. You can sit down with yourself and say I am bitter. And sometimes you can even cry because it's not easy because now I your subconscious mind knows that you are bitter, but your conscious mind, I can't hold the information. So for the conscious mind to hold that information, it takes broken in you, so why but because subconscious mind knew that you are broken. So you need to be vulnerable to yourself and know I am not perfect. If I'm broken, then you can now go through all that. When you say I'm broken, then that's when you're going to find now go through those steps until what you heal. Because if you're not healed, so all I can say is I just thank you for I'm just grateful for this day, the conversations that we had. They're so heartfelt, you know.
You're welcome.
I just hope we will continue having this conversation. We have a lot, by the way. We have a lot,
especially
to offload.
Let's offload.
Yeah, thank you so much.